Tapos close the door. So, binisita ko lang yung security guard. Yun yung panggabi. Sa araw wala pa. So, tomorrow is meeting at AM and 4 p.m. for our see you on Fulver, the Kalanglongfo Street na mga bago ng patakaran or whatever. Na mga security guard. Oh, let's go. Going to the room. So, nasa house na tayo. House. Lips. Screen. So, totoo ba yun? Rian Ramos, actress in Miss Universe. Miss Universe na yung driver, personal driver to murders and attack and hotels few days na ganun daw ang nangyari. Binugbog daw siya ni Michelle Day at Rian Ramos at isa pang sangkot. Alam mo, for driving working license, kasi kumuha kayo ng mga security guard o mga guard, personal driver sa mga embassy sa mga TESDA, di ba mga OFW sa Philippines, a personal driver, hindi kung saan kayo kumukuha para lang makatipid. You know, it's a problem. Or may kakilala kayo o kamag-anak o anything, friends, ganun. Mahirap yung ganyan. You know, it's just difficult for social media because for action and the Rian Ramos actress, di ba tapos ang release ng kanyang movie na Encantadia was here working and the attitude is very connection because it's attitude. So I'm not perfect because it's our post in social media here as murders and drivers of personal partner celebrity but involved to Miss Universe and to Miss Universe Queen because as a friends. Kasi si Michelle de tumbo yun, kaya ganun yung katapang. Ay, huwag na kayo magtaka. You know, it's volatile, it's first world, not going a rich life. Okay? Thank you. Bye.